that we got all the laughter out of our systems, you can finally start your first day of work. I need your help with some hot new schemes that are guaranteed to increase my soul flow now.
Like what? Guarantee with the deck? Cause it's working?
No, this time I'm going straight for a person's primary weakness.
Their throats? Their hearts?
Their vices! Follow me, boys. Souls await. Drought, poverty, corruption. We're in thirsty times, I tell you. What better way to forget it all than with some tasty hellfire water? Except these bottles are curtained with ghost glass. One sniffle sucker so right in. I need you boys to deliver.
Batter up! Hit the harness radio from the kitchen.
My pocket bones! I ain't get this job just to have one small scheme. That's a whiff of this. They say smoking kills. With my own scratch stars, it ain't kidding. One heavy head of this book, and you'll be wrong the Phantom Express.
That idea won't smoke. Guess who burned it?
My vengeance upon me! I still got one last ace up my sleeve. Purgatorial playing card. One game lasts eternity. It's no treat. The rules are in the fine print. Except, no one ever reads the fine print. Ship these off the cave, guys.
This one's a hit. Where? Looks like he's already had me for more.
Why do I keep looking away? That's it! I know it's only your first day, but you mugs got him a move!
Easy ones. Yeah, we're pretty busy.
Nothing! Just scram!
You know what people are always complaining about? Workday's fun.